Pack your dreams in a carry-on case. Tabaani's magic sets the pace. ASSIL whispers plans so clear. Every journey starts right here. Fly high on the wings of Tabaani, where your travels turn uncanny, effortless, smooth like a melody. With ASSIL, the world's yours to see. No stress, no mess, just click and go. Tabaani's path is all aglow. ASSIL's the key, the guiding star, taking you places near and far. Fly high on the wings of Tabaani, where your travels turn uncanny, effortless, smooth like a melody. With ASSIL, the world's yours to see.
Hi and welcome. We're so glad you're here with us today. Whether you're watching from your office, your home, or maybe even while planning your next great adventure. Today is a very special day for us at Tabaani because today we're doing what we love most, sharing with you what we've been building for travelers. Not just features and not just updates, but tools, ideas, and experiences designed to completely reimagine the way we travel. You're going to see how our teams have been thinking differently and how we're combining the power of AI with the beauty of human connection to make travel more personal, more intelligent, and more inspiring than ever before. And yes, we're going to announce some incredible new things. Things that we believe will change how we explore the world. So sit back, get ready, because what we're about to show you is more than just a demo. It's a glimpse into the future of travel. And it all starts right now.
Today, we are not just launching a product, we are launching new philosophy. For years, we've numbered our releases 1.0, 2.0, 3.1, but numbers don't tell stories. Numbers don't inspire. That's not who we are. From this moment on, every release of ASSIL will carry name of place that speaks to the soul. Places where history, culture, and innovation converge. Places that matter. Today, we begin this journey with a name that summarizes all of this. ASSIL AlUla. AlUla is not just a city in Saudi Arabia. It's a city of a timeless canvas, a meeting point between ancient Nabatean civilization and cutting-edge creativity. A land where sandstone cliffs echo stories of thousands of years old, and where modernity rises in harmony with nature. We didn't choose it for beauty, though it has plenty. Chose it because AlUla stands for what ASSIL stands for. Authenticity that drives innovation, tradition that fuels intelligence, and a future built on heritage, not in spite of it. With ASSIL AlUla, we're not only bringing AI that understands smarter, but understands more human. It gets your culture. It speaks your language. It creates your journey, not from a database, but from a deeper understanding of what makes travel personal. ASSIL AlUla isn't just a version. It's a declaration of a new beginning, of a new era. A declaration of where we are heading to. A declaration of the world we believe in.
ASSIL AlUla is not just a name, it's a declaration of who we are building for. And regarding the technology, at the heart of the ASSIL AlUla lies one of our most advanced breakthroughs yet, a fine-tuned large language model that understands Arabic, not just linguistically, but also culturally, where we trained on a rich, complex, multi-dialect dataset, including many dialects from the Khaliji or Gulf dialect, the Shami dialect, the Egyptian, the Tunisian, and also the Moroccan Darija, with both their Arabic syntax and their also the latent syntax to enable the model to grasp deep and diverse nuances like Dial, Zwain, Balais, Wukashka, and more words from the diverse dialects and be able to understand it well. And yes, it seamlessly understand mixed language sentences. So, for example, if we said a mixed sentence where I started a sentence with English, then completed the sentence with Arabic, the model will be completely comfortable in understanding this part. And this comes with a major update in the user experience itself. Now, ASSIL have more detailed responses, enriching the user with all he needs. The format of the output message will be state of art, helping source for the user itself. And this is not the main impact only. Let's face it, the MENA region is both one of the most underserved markets in the travel AI market and one of the most linguistically complex too. The Arabic is a very, very complex language, even for the Arabs themselves. So, what if we are talking about a linguistic model, AI? With ASSIL العلا, we are not just filling that gap, we are transforming it into our competitive advantage, where we are targeting that the local users feel truly understood, boosting the trust and the loyalty. Arabic first users also engagement will increase, and the enterprise partners now can deliver fully localized travel experiences without relying on clunky translation layers and the primitive ways that we used for a long time for the translation, and they proved that they was not reliable. In short, we are not just localizing the interface, we are localizing the intelligence itself. And our vision, أصيل العلا, is not just more intelligent, it's more human. It thinks, feels, and dreams in Arabic, and ready for the future we are building in the MENA.
Behind every smart assistant is a smarter foundation. At Tabaani, we've always known if we want Asylum Basir to evolve and to become more personal, more accurate, and more intuitive, we need one thing: scalable, living, breathing data. And that's exactly what we've built. This release introduces a two-tiered data scaling system, one manual and one automatic, designed for growth, precision, and personalization. Earlier this year, we realized some of our datasets were built fast but not smart, so we paused and we rewrote them line by line, structure by structure, human by human. This new base layer was key. It gave us clean taxonomies, smarter relations, and consistent tagging. Plus, we gained future-proof categories like travel archetypes, seasonality, and family types. This is the handcrafted foundation of Basir's mind. But we didn't stop there. We activated our research agents to continuously enrich this manual layer in real time. Now, as they explore the web, every new insight is cleaned, categorized, embedded, then stored inside MongoDB dynamically, ready to be used for every future request instantly. It's like having your data warehouse and R&D team merge into one engine. Why does this matter for your bottom line? Because travelers are not all the same, and neither are the queries they send. With scalable data, we move from static user experience to dynamic user experience, from general lists to tailored suggestions, from broad filters to micro preference matching, and from fixed logic to adaptive evolving logic. Whether we're recommending a cozy riad in Marrakesh or filtering halal restaurants in Seoul, Basir is now learning as fast as our travelers are changing. Let's imagine a Tunisian solo traveler searching for art cafes with creative vibes in Istanbul. A year ago, Basir might return popular places, but today our agents detect new blog posts, TikTok reviews, and niche art forums, and they add that content instantly to the database. That means tomorrow's traveler gets a better experience because of today's query. Basir gets smarter every single time someone uses it. With scalable data, we don't just answer questions, we evolve with the traveler. This isn't a travel assistant that stops at version 1. This is a living system, one that grows, adapts, and gets sharper every single day. With data scaling, we've laid the foundation for a future of ultra-personalized, hyper-contextual AI travel planning. Basir isn't just smart, it's becoming wise. And as Basir grows wiser, it's not just about what it knows, it's about how it communicates, which brings us to our next major leap.
Smarter, faster, more human. The brain behind Basir experience. Basir is now speaking your language. Information is everything. What matters is how fast and how well it finds you. That's how Basir thinks. Not a single agent, but as a team of intelligence agents, each with a specific work, all working in harmony. Introducing Basir Multi-Agent Intelligence, a unified AI combining retrieval augmented generation with autonomous research agent, built for travel, optimized for speed, and also tuned for culture. We've used two of our most powerful subsystems. First, the RAG engine, rebuilt to be smarter, faster, and context aware. And our research agents now is multilingual, persistent, and semantically enhanced. Together, they form a distributed intelligence model that enhances your query with semantic rewriting, searches across structured databases, unstructured web, and also live APIs, and regional sources applied personalized filters like season, crowd level, vibes, and also budget. Understand Arabic, slang, and also culture slang. Runs continuously, updating Tabaani knowledge graph in real time. What's the result? A traveling AI that doesn't just search, it explores the way human would, with curiosity. We didn't just add intelligence, we made it faster. The old average response time reached 44 seconds, while the new average is only 19 seconds. This is more than twice as fast and infinitely more relevant. Imagine that. A Saudi family is planning Eid in Morocco. They say we want places for fun to kids, not too crowded, also halal food and culture spots. Here's what Basir multi-agent intelligence does instantly. Enhance a query into multiple semantic tasks. One agent scraps Moroccan tourism boards, another analyzes Arabic family forums, one matches halal certified restaurants by location. The RAG engines combines everything into personalized itinerary results. Not just answers, it's your answer. And now let's talk about strategy. Most travel platforms optimize for popularity, but we optimize for personalization at scale across different languages and different cultures. With Basir multi-agent intelligence, users receive tailored results in under 20 seconds. Culture engagement in Arabic markets increased by over 60%. Conversion events like booking, shares, itinerary saves jump by 27%. This is not just a smarter AI, it's a market unlock for GCC, North Africa, and beyond. Here's what most platforms miss. Local insight does not live in Google. It lives in WhatsApp groups, Facebook posts, TikTok comments, and yes, even dusty travel blogs from 2015. This is where our research agent go. This is what our RAG engine understands. And this is why Basir finds what other can't. This is AI designed for travelers, not just tourists. For people who don't just wanna go somewhere, they wanna go right. Basir multi-agent intelligence is not just a back-end upgrade. It's the brain of ASSIL AlUla. It is the reason why every search feels faster, deeper, and more human.
Let's talk about what happens behind the scenes, where your AI assistant does not just generate, but it validates. And your assistant does not just suggest, it acts. Today, we are introducing two powerful engines empowering ASSIL AlUla's new automation's capability. Raval, our research agent validation system, and the autonomous browsing agent, your AI that books, browses, acts all on your behalf. This is the moment where research meets reality and action becomes automatic. For the technology, let's start with Raval, our robust Python-based system purpose built to bring integrity to AI-powered generated content. LLMs are powerful, but without structure, they can hallucinate. Raval changes that. Here is what it does. It parses the LLM response into JSON, validates it, and according to dynamic schema enforcement, enriches, sanitizes, and prepares it for production-grade databases, and stores it in our Mongo database. Raval ensures that the data behind every place, dish, visa requirements, or local trip is trustworthy. It's bridge between creative generation and operational grade quality. Now, what if your AI does not just stop giving you recommendation but acts upon it? Introducing our autonomous browser agent, a browse-based agent travel assistant that operates into your browser, and with your permission and credentials, it can search flights, compare accommodation, deals in real time, navigate booking websites, fill in your details, and guide you through the checkout process step by step. All while keeping you in control. You can intervene at any moment. It is not just automation, it is assisted autonomy. For the business impact, why do these tools matter for your business or your platform? Let's start with Rava. You can have a content engine that it's not just fast, it's reliable. And also, it allows to scale high quality travel research without human bottlenecks. It significantly reduces error rates in real world accommodation. And for the autonomous browser agent, it reduces drop offs by assisting users through friction heavy booking flows. It works across providers, no API integrations needed. Early testers booked trips 2.3x faster than traditional booking journeys. This is speed and this is trust. For our vision, Raval is your trust engine. The autonomous browsing agent is your execution engine. Together, they can move us toward an AI that does not just talk, it follows through. That does not just inspire journeys, it completes them. With ASSIL AlUla, we are redefining what it means to plan a trip, not just smarter, not just faster, but fully validated, automated, and tailored for our Arab travelers. This is just the beginning. We are turning the browser into your co-pilot and your data into your edge.
Let's talk about something simple, natural, to your travel assistant. For years, we have typed to search, typed to plan, typed to discover. But that's not how humans communicate, especially when they are excited about a trip. Today, we are introducing a major leap forward in human AI interaction, the ASSIL AlUla voice assistant. An assistant that doesn't just listen, it understands when to stop, when to wait, and when to resume. This isn't just text-to-speech with a play button. We have engineered a real-time interruption mechanism that tracks intent and context in every conversation, pauses intelligently when you interrupt, and dynamically adjusts responses by reprocessing your new command mid-conversation. All built using low-latency streaming inference, a lightweight speech recognition layer, and a conversational controller that manages natural turn-taking. While it currently speaks English fluently, we are actively integrating Arabic voice support, not just modern standard Arabic, but regional dialects. This is a voice assistant designed specifically for the Arab traveler. So, why does this matter? Because conversion in travel isn't just about displaying options, it's about building trust and making it easy for users. Speaking instead of typing removes friction. Pausing and resuming naturally feels like talking to a personal concierge. This kind of interactivity drives more engagement, and that translates directly to more bookings. In early trials, users spend 37% more time interacting with ASSIL AlUla via voice compared to traditional text input. This isn't just a better experience, it translates to a higher lifetime value. We are not just creating an assistant that responds, we are building one that listens, one that truly understands. Our goal? Our goal to make travel feel human again. This is just the beginning. With ASSIL AlUla voice, we are opening a new chapter. Chapter where your voice guides every step of the journey.
And now, with this deeper understanding, ASSIL AlUla empowers you to explore your world like never before. This is Tabaani's first premium intelligence feature, and here's why it matters. Decision fatigue is the number one drop-off point in travel apps. Our engine eliminates it. Personalization is what modern users expect and pay for, and contextual accuracy that's time-based, mood-based, culturally aware leads to 4 times higher conversions on location-based recommendations. This isn't about selling more places, it's about selling the right place to the right traveler at the right moment. It's not just utility, it's value. And we're excited to announce that Tabaani Maps with Smart Ranking is launching as a premium feature later this year. But starting next week, our early access waitlist opens. The first 500 signups get free early access, 1 month of premium features, and priority on testing exclusive experimental layers like AI-guided routes and vibe matching algorithms. This is your chance to help shape the future of travel AI from the inside. Our vision: most travel apps help you get from A to B. Tabaani helps you figure out if you even want to go to B in the first place. With maps that adapt and rankings that understand, we're not just showing you where to go, we're showing you what's worth your time. This is the most personalized and dynamic travel platform ever built in the region. Built for how you move, shaped by what you feel, and powered by a system that never stops learning.